Hello student, already we started the lesson. Let's wait a monologue. And in this lesson we learned the girl was feel very sad, unhappy. She thought her parents never loves her. They only love her younger sister, and because of this reason the girl was feeling very sad, very unhappy, and in this reason she want to go in some interesting places. First, she want to go on the mountain or forest. There she want to make friend with some animals, birds. She want to eat different types of fruits. Then she want to go on a desert. In the desert we find the camel, so she want to ride on a camel. Then she want to sleep in a tent, and again she decide she want to visit in a north pole. There she want to live in an igloo, and she want to make friend with a polar bear. This much we learnt in the previous lecture. Now we'll start the remaining lesson. See the page number 30. What's that? Something soft against my back? Oh, it's baby. What are you doing here? You silly. Go away. Don't smile at me. Why do you follow me? Tuck, tuck. Is there nobody else in the house to look after you? Now see the children. What happened when the girl was sitting behind the sofa? Suddenly the small baby come to back this girl, and she saw something is soft behind his back. When she turned, she saw the small baby was behind her. But the girl was very angry, and she said, "Don't come here. Go away from me and don't smile at me. You're silly." She shouted. Why? Because she was angry, and that's why she shouted. And she saw no one behind of this small baby, and she said, "No one look after you, and you don't follow me. You don't come after me." Now see the next. Don't come here. You may bump into something and I will get all the scolding. Why do you have to do everything that I do? Copycat? Oh, never mind. Really? The people in this house, they should look after her better. I am a grown up girl now. I can manage on my own. But what about this little baby? Come, baby, let's crawl out from here. Now, see the student. The girl was very angry, and angrily she said, "You don't come after me. You have to go away from me. If you bump, if you fell down, again all the family members will scold me. Better than you have to go away from me and you don't follow me. Why do you have to do everything that I do? Whatever I did, why you are doing same things? Don't follow me." Copycat means she is doing whatever her sister is doing. Then she said, "Oh, never mind. Really, in this house, people." When the baby was come near the girl, the family member was not there. So she said, "These family members never take care of you. At least they can take care of you. Now I am grown up girl. I can manage myself. I can look myself properly. But you are the small baby. How they can leave you alone? Now don't worry, baby. You have to come out. You have to crawl. Crawl means the baby can move off this sofa slowly on his knees. Okay, he can crawl on his knees and the baby come out. She said to that small baby, "You have to crawl and come out from this sofa." Now see the next. "When I go away, I will take you with me, or you will keep crying for me all the time." And they would not even guess what the matter is with you. "I really can't go away when you are so small. Let's wait till you are a little older." Now see, now the girl realized the baby was small. He need to take care. And she said to her baby, That small girl, you have to come out from this sofa. Now whenever I will went outside, I will take you with me, and if I not take you, you will start the crying, and the family members will never understood why you are crying. So better than I will take your care until when you will become a little older. Up to that time, I will take care of you, and whenever I will went outside, I will take you with me. First, the girl was angry because she thought the parents never look her. But now she realized the baby was small, the baby need to take care, and now she understood the baby was need to take care. So the family members take care of this baby. So this much understood, students. Now see the meanings of some difficult words. Hermit, wonder, igloo, and crowd. These are the four words with their meanings. Now next is the question and answers. With the question, answers also given. You have to copy it. Now question number 2. Write the plurals form. Okay. And now question number 3. Write true or false. Now student, question number 4, 5 and 6. These 3 questions answers you have to write in your own language. Only question number 4 is mentioned here. Question number 5 and 6 you have to see in your textbook, and as per this you have to copy the question answers. You have to revise the video and copy all the question answers in your notebook as well as the workbook.